If you're getting into content creating, one of the things you'll quickly realize is it can get like really expensive. Like really expensive. The cameras, the lights, the microphones, everything costs money. Now, of course, not all of this is completely necessary. Like, you need a camera, but you can do without great lighting. You can do without great audio. But if your audio is really bad or your lighting's really bad, it can make or break a video. So, what if I told you that for under $20, you could significantly improve your audio quality from whatever it is now to sounding like this? Hey guys, what's up? So, a couple of weeks ago, a company reached out to me and said they had a lapel microphone for under $20, and they wanted to send it to me and have me check it out. So, this is the K053 FIFINE, probably got that name wrong, Lapel/Lavalier microphone. Alright, so as you can see, not a whole lot in the box. You know, you open up the box, you have a little bit of foam padding, an instruction manual, and the microphone itself. Now, because this is a USB microphone, you just plug it in to any USB-enabled device, most of you that's going to be a computer, and you're good to go. It's pretty much plug and play right out of the package, and you can start recording better audio. Now, while handling this mic, you'll soon realize that the build quality is actually pretty decent. The main body is a relatively lightweight plastic, but it has a small blue LED that lights up when the mic is powered on. It even includes a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can plug headphones into the mic body, which is a nice touch. Coming out the back end, you'll see a pretty thin rubber cable, which seems to be a little over 6 feet long. This cable leads up to the microphone itself. It's a pretty simple design. You've got a metal clip with a pretty strong spring, and you definitely won't have to worry about this coming unclipped or falling off, even if you're moving around. The mic itself is pretty small and discreet, you know, it's not going to attract too much attention. You can kind of just clip it on your shirt, forget about it, and go about as normal. On top of that, we've got a foam windscreen, which, you know, just helps prevent any unwanted sounds from being recorded. And now, the moment that you've probably all been waiting for, at least, you know, something that's really going to decide whether you buy this mic or not, we're going to do a quick mic comparison. We're going to test this out against just a standard built-in laptop mic, which is probably what a lot of people would be upgrading from. Either a built-in laptop, built-in camera mic, just something built-in. This is kind of just a budget, entry-level way to get into better audio quality. Alright, so we've switched over to the lapel mic. And this is the type of sound quality you can expect to get with this lapel mic for under $20. As you can see, this $20 lapel mic is significantly better than what you're hearing right now, which is a built-in laptop microphone. So, as you saw, this $20 lapel mic, the K053, or maybe it's just the 053, I'll have to check on that. Regardless, for $20, you're getting something with significantly better audio quality than a built-in microphone. I want to thank this company, whose name I'm scared to pronounce, again, for sending me this microphone for review. I think it's a really good product for entry-level audio recording. And if by chance you guys want to pick up this microphone, I'll have a link down to Amazon where you can buy this for around $18 right now. So just check the description below. Thanks again for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to like it. If you thought of any questions, have any comments, hit up that comment section down below. And if you want to see more content like this, or just want to support me, subscribe to the channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all next time.